Hey guys, so I'll be listing some of the upcoming rugged phones of 2023. Majority of these rugged phones will be released in October, and majority of them are also coming from Doogee. So first on the list is the Doogee V30 Pro. So this is going to be Doogee's first rugged phone with a 200MP camera. That's right guys, this device is coming with a 200MP primary sensor, just like the F150B2 Ultra. Now I hope it's not powered by the Helio G99. I hope it's powered by a much more better processor, and I hope it's a 5G processor. Anyway, some of the specs of this device includes a 32MP front facing camera, a 10,800 mAh battery, 6.58-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display, and the device is expected to ship with the latest Android 13. The phone also supports 33W fast charging. So these are some of the top features of the upcoming Doogee V30 Pro. Once I get more details about this device, I'll let you guys know. So next on my list is the Doogee S Mini. So this is going to be a mini rugged phone from Doogee, and it's expected to compete with the likes of the Blackview N6000, the Yokitel K60 Mini, and so on. And this rugged phone is also going to be packed with some nice features. I don't know majority of its specs, but according to some leaks, the device is expected to have a 4.5-inch display, a 50MP primary sensor, 8MP front-facing camera, a 3000 mAh battery with 18W fast charging. It's also expected to ship with the latest Android 13. So these are some of the top specs of the upcoming Doogee S Mini. So next on the list is the Doogee T30 Ultra. So this is a tablet, not a rugged tablet, just a normal tablet, and it's coming very soon. It is also expected to be released in October. And the last device on the list in this video is the Ulefone Armor Part 2. I already uploaded a video explaining the top features and specs of the Armor Part 2. I'll put a link in the video description if you want to check it out, so I won't bother talking much about it. So these are some of the top upcoming rugged phones and smartphones. Some other rugged phones that are coming very soon is the Ulefone Armor 24. I think the device has been released, but I don't really know. I made a video about it as well. Anyway, like I mentioned earlier, once I get more details about these upcoming smartphones, I'll let you guys know. I'll update you guys. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.